All right, let's do it. Box one, I think we'll probably do 3 boxes today, and then kind of go from there. Cracked 3 boxes of this stuff already, and it didn't pull a Sketchograph or plate or gold parallel or anything, so hopefully there's one in some of this stuff. Okay. Got a bronze Jedi training design. The 3 sketches we did get in the first 3 boxes were pretty decent though. All had pretty good color. It's no printing plate or Sketchograph or gold, which is what I wanted to hit. Bronze. Oh. Upside down. Purple. Purple. If you're interested in any of this stuff, just give me a shout out. I got this. I got some Avengers left too up there. I got a half a case left of this stuff and almost a full case of Avengers still. So if you're into the non-sport stuff, plus I got Game of Thrones too, I think as well. If you're into baseball, I got a case of the finest and a case of the archives coming next week, so let me know. Skywalker insert. Base. Should get 2 hits out of this. Most of them have been just film cell or artist autograph cards, and then 1 sketch card should be guaranteed in each box. Purple. Purple. Here's a Matt Bush Falcons Escape autograph card. Card number 64. Pretty cool looking. He's a good artist. I've met him before. He's a pretty nice guy too. Oh, looks like there's a oh yeah, there's a book book sketch card in there. We'll do that last. Purple. Base. More purple. Again, if you want to try a box of this, or Avengers, or Game of Thrones, or really, I got a whole product list here in store. Just shoot me over an email. I'll tell you what we got available and what our prices are, and we can bust it for you live, or you can, or we can just ship it to you. So, last pack, and then we'll find out what the sketch is. Still no, no printing plates. Golds or sketchographs in this. Let's just creak it open together here. Creak. It's Boba Fett. Show the YouTubers first here. It's Boba Fett. And let's see if there's an artist name on the back here. Kayla Croft, whatever that is. I'm not familiar with her work, but it's a Boba Fett sketch. Neat-O. Okay, recap. Boba Fett sketch, Matt Bush autograph, and we'll do another box here in just a minute. Thanks for watching, YouTube. See ya.